What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to activate the Google services or GMS on HyperOS 2.0. Oh, it's actually unofficial version for the Mi 8, Xiaomi Mi 8 phone. That is actually 8 years old phone. You still can run the HyperOS, not the newest one, but 2.0.5 is still a good one. So what you need to do to activate the Google services, you need to go to the settings first. You need to find account and scenes. First you enter additional settings, then you scroll for account and scenes here. Then basic Google services, click on this, click activate, and need to update the Play Store after this. So actually turn this feature on if you experience problems using Gmail, Google Maps and other Google apps. It's slightly reduce the battery life. Okay, so we activate it. Then let's go to the Play Market. That should actually be here. But you can open like search here and download Google Play Store APK. Let's download it. Google Play Store APK, let's find it here. For instance, APK Pure, so actually that's quite reliable source. So you have Google Play Store here. Let's click on download APK here. Allow all the time. Okay, so download started. Let's wait until it will be downloaded. It will not take that much time, should be really fast. Okay, it's done. View, let's install it. Okay, so actually it's installed here. Update to new version. Let's update. Okay, open. So sign in. Let's sign in with your account here. Okay, so I log into my account. Welcome to Play Store. Skip. Let's just install some app, for example Instagram. Continue. Skip. Okay, so got it. Then you have the Play Store here, so it's appeared. Actually it was quite simple. From Play Store you can download any Google app here, so as you see, even no any issues. Instagram is downloading now. So from the guide perspective, that's pretty much it. That's how you can easily activate basic Google services. You'll have the Play Store, you can download any app to your Xiaomi Mi 8 with HyperOS 2.0.5 in 2026.